After attending culinary school in Italy, I learned how to make infused extra virgin olive oil. This has become one of my favorite things to add on top of focaccia bread, on my roasted vegetables, and lots of other dishes. So today I'm going to show you how to make this 2-ingredient garlic olive oil. It's really easy, and with a little bit of time, you're going to add so much flavor to all of your dishes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along for lots more Italian-inspired culinary recipes. First, add 1 cup of garlic cloves, which is about 4 heads of garlic, into a food processor. You're going to pulse this just until it's roughly chopped. This step allows us to release the garlic flavors and aroma that's going to come out in our oil. Next, combine 16.9 ounces of extra virgin olive oil and add that to a mason jar along with the chopped garlic. What we're creating here is a cold oil infusion, so there's no heat required for this process. Next, this is a really important step. You need to cover the mason jar with a coffee filter secured by a rubber band. The garlic ferments during this process, and it needs a breathable cover, not a tight lid. Then allow the garlic to sit at room temperature in a dark, cool place for 48 hours. Next, it's time to strain and discard the garlic. You may be hopeful to use the garlic again, but the flavors and the nutrients have been extracted into the infused oil, so I'd suggest just throwing it away. Finally, store the infused oil in a sterilized dark color bottle with a sealed lid, and then place that away from any light or heat until you're ready to use it in all of your dishes. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.